Just wanted to give folks a quick update. The park is still closed at this time. It is under construction. We really appreciate people not hopping the barricade and trying to access the park because it is an active construction site and there's a lot of strings and stakes out here that the contractor needs to use to do their work. Things are moving along really well here at the park. Behind me you can see the upper plaza area is taking shape. There's some fencing in place. The contractor started down below and built stairs, so you can see back to where the stairs would go down. I'll show a few pictures of that in a moment. More information on donations on the website. So in this space behind me here, there'll be a band of donor brick pavers. Those are $200 a brick donation. You can go on Facebook or the GoFundMe or talk to Ganges Township directly about how to make those donations. We're also accepting and creating a donor plaque, a group plaque for folks who would like to be acknowledged as donors to the project. It's $500 to have your name on the plaque.